Is cruising still amazing? Is it still worth it? I'm going to share the best reasons that you should definitely go on a cruise in 2021 and beyond. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, over the last few months, we have talked a lot about cruise news. We have talked about the changes that are happening in cruising, but we haven't really talked about how great cruising is. And I thought it would be fun to talk about that because the reality is that cruising is pretty awesome. And when we do cruise again, wherever you are and whenever your next cruise is, it will be fantastic. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 10 things that I think are pretty amazing about cruising. And if you think some different things are amazing about cruising, please let me know in the comments below. There definitely are some things that I'm sure I will have missed. If you are new to cruising, I think that you will find this very helpful. And if you are an avid cruiser, well, hopefully it'll help you to relive, reminisce, and look forward to your next cruise. Let's get started. First up, safety. Cruises have actually been sailing in Italy and in Singapore, and river cruises have been sailing for several months now, and cruises are a very safe vacation. And especially during this time, cruise lines are taking precautions. They have safety protocols and health protocols put in place to make cruising a very safe vacation. So of course, there are the different things like cleanliness and disinfecting, and all of that is happening. Of course, it happened before, but now they have new technologies to make it even better. And at the same time, they have new air filtration systems that all the cruise lines are going to be using. And they obviously have different things on different cruise lines, but they're going to be bringing more fresh air in. They are going to be using filters. They're going to be exchanging the air. So this is all something very good, and cruises are a very safe vacation. Number 2, the opportunity to visit many different destinations, new destinations, or even to revisit some of the destinations that you absolutely love. So within a cruise, you can visit 3, 4 destinations all in one trip or more. Or if you like, you can choose a destination where you're going to be there 2 days, 3 days, or even 4 days. Now, one of my favorite itineraries is Bermuda, and you can actually have more time to explore during that time. But the nice thing about a lot of other cruises is you could visit different destinations, and each one has its own flavor, its own things to do, its own culture, and that is something really nice. Now, of course, in the different destinations, you could do different things. You could sightsee. So if you're a history buff, you might like to learn about the different destinations, see different attractions, whether they're very touristy or something off the beaten path. You might like to go on an adventure and have an excursion, something that you really haven't ever done before. Maybe it's swimming with stingrays, or maybe it's doing a hiking excursion or a cycling excursion. There are so many things to do in the different destinations. And if you're a beach lover, oh my gosh, on a cruise, you can go to several different beaches, some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Number 3, you can unpack once. What a pleasure this is. Now, if you were on a land trip going to different destinations, what you'd have to do is you'd have to stop at different hotels in between, maybe take a bus to go from one destination to the other. And at each hotel, you'd have to unpack and you'd have to repack. What a hassle. Instead, when you're on a cruise, you unpack once at the very beginning of the cruise. And then after that, well, it's like you're just living on the ship. It's your second home, and that ship is going to bring you to the different destinations. It is an absolute pleasure and makes cruising a little bit effortless. Now, I'd love to know from you if this is something that appeals to you about cruising. It definitely appeals to me. Please let me know in the comments below. Number 4, are you a lover of cruise food? I am not going to lie. I absolutely love cruise food. It's awesome. It's plentiful. It is so good. I love to try new foods. And one of the things that I actually do before going on a cruise, especially if it's cruise line I haven't really sailed with before, is I actually look up what some of their specialty foods are. What are some of the foods, the desserts, the main dishes, the appetizers that I really should try? And we kind of look at for that. But the nice thing about going on a cruise and cruise food is it's great if you'd like to try new foods, or even if you're a picky eater. If you have dietary needs, if there are allergies for anybody in your family or party, they can accommodate all of that. So it really is one of the best parts, I think, of cruising. Number 5, it is a great family vacation. On a cruise, you can bring your kids, and most of the time they're going to love that kids club. So they will enjoy having their own fun in the kids club, meeting new friends, having just a blast. And parents can have their own time together where they don't have to entertain the kids all the time. And then you can get back together for some family time. You can go on excursions together and have your own adventures, meet up for dinner again, and talk about all the things that you did during the day. It really is that perfect balance for a family vacation. Now, if you are taking a family cruise and cruising with kids, I have a resource. It's a blog post below from 10 family cruise experts who shared their very best tips. I will leave that in the description below. Number 6, no cooking, no cleaning, no laundry. I love that about a cruise. And I have to say, after this last year that I've pretty much stayed at home and I have cooked more than I ever thought I would in my life, I am so ready for a cruise and for somebody to do everything for me, because the service on a cruise is just so good. It is the ultimate vacation. If you are looking forward to this as well, whether you've taken a cruise before or not, please let me know. Number 7. We have to talk about the cruise ship entertainment. It is definitely one of the best reasons to go on a cruise. The entertainment on cruise ships is a really good quality. So from the Broadway style shows to the Vegas style shows to the guest performers that are actually flown or brought onto the cruise ship, this can include illusionists, this can include comedians, acrobats, musical performers, ice skaters, hypnotists. Yes, I said ice skaters because on some cruise ships, there are actual ice skating rinks. There really is every type of entertainment on a cruise ship and you won't be bored. It is so good. Now, if you've been on a cruise before and you had a favorite show or something that was really memorable, please let me know what your favorite entertainment or your favorite show was in the comments below. And maybe even what you think is the best cruise line for entertainment. I'd love to know what you think. Number 8, a chance to escape. And honestly, after the last year, who doesn't need to escape? There is something about sailing away from shore into the open sea, leaving all of the problems that you might have, even the little ones, behind on the shoreline. There is just something special about that. Now, as much as we can be more connected than we used to be in the past, there still is a feeling of disconnection in a good way when you do head out to sea. You might even find that it's a chance to reconnect with your loved ones if you're on a cruise ship with your loved ones, or it could be a chance even to reconnect and reset for yourself. Number 9, the romance of the seas. There really is something about the sea, sitting on your own balcony or perhaps sitting out on the open deck and watching the waves. There is something about being out to sea. And of course, I think that is what makes cruises really special. After all, we could have vacations where we go on land, we can take land tours, we can stay at an all-inclusive resort, but you could never really have that same feeling that you'd have on a cruise. Now, one of the reasons I think is because you're out to sea, and honestly, you have to catch a sunrise or a sunset. I usually catch the sunsets. I just haven't managed to catch those sunrises very much, but there is something about a sunset at sea. You absolutely have to take those in. Now, even at night, you can go out onto the top deck and you can look out at the stars or from your balcony, and the stars just shine so bright against the dark sea and the dark sky. It is definitely something to take in, and it is special. Number 10, a value of a cruise. Now, I know over the last few months, we have seen the price of cruises rise, of course, as there is less availability and there is pent-up demand for those cruises in 2022. Especially. However, overall, cruises remain still a very good value. When you look at all the things that you get on a cruise, really, it would be hard to get that kind of quality of a vacation on another type of trip. But please let me know what you think. If you think that the value of a cruise is still there, I would like to know. And I have a little bit of a bonus. If you are somebody who does not like to fly, if you can find a cruise that leaves from a cruise port that is within driving distance, you can actually save some money, not have to fly to the cruise port, and just put that money on your cruise, which is something that we often do because I don't love to fly. But let me know, please, what you think. Now, I hope that you found this video helpful or enjoyable and that it made you think about your next cruise. I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know, what did I miss? What are the best things about cruises? And what is going to be amazing about your next cruise after this pause? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, if you did like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'd love to have you here. We share cruise tips and cruise news every single week. Bye for now and happy future cruising.